Do you really need an employee handbook for your independent healthcare practice? Some might say no. Why do I need an employee handbook for my practice? I'm going to tell you yes, you do. You need some way for your employees to know what is the expectations for the job. Some people say that's a handbook. Some people have very detailed policies and procedures related to your practice. Whatever you want to call it, your employees need to know the expectation. One, they need to know the expectations of the job. If you don't detail what is expected of the employee, it's hard to hold them accountable for doing anything wrong. People are smart, but there are a lot of gray areas where people don't understand what is expected of them. Spell it out. Two, an employee handbook will detail the expectations, not of just what they physically do, but what they should wear, how they should regard your patients, how they should act with other employees of the organization. Those things are important to spell out because if there is a discrepancy in behavior, you can go and refer to some handbook so that your employees have an understanding as to what was the expectation. Before I forget, if you're struggling in your healthcare business, the compliance is overwhelming, you don't know how to do something that's legal, or you're needing help with trademarking your healthcare business, reach out to us at dorismeet.com and we'd be excited to help you. And three, God forbid there is a lawsuit and there is an issue related to you terminating an employee. Having that employee sign the handbook and understand the handbook before they started or while they were working within the organization is going to be very critical for helping you resolve some of the issues that you're going to have. Like if you are sued for discrimination or some other reasons, which some of those, reasons might be valid, but a good defense is having that handbook and saying, well, this is something that was discussed, this is something that we handled, and it wasn't discrimination or it wasn't, any unrelated issue that, the employee thinks it is. You're not acting under the code of conduct of the company. Now, that is how a lot of big companies think. If you want to do business and business that tries to avoid some liability, you want to do what you can to avoid all the things that happen within a business. So get the protection you need and let us help you to success. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.